Quick breads. What are quick breads? What are quick breads? Quick breads. Definition: leavened flour-based products, leavened with baking soda, baking powder. Generally quick and easy to prepare. Types of quick breads: pour batter, drop batter, soft dough. Pour batter's thin consistency and can be poured from the mixing bowl. They may contain equal amounts of liquid and flour. Examples: waffles, pancakes, crepes, popovers. Drop batters. Fairly thick and need to be scraped from the bowl into baking pan. Usually contains twice as much flour as liquid. Examples: muffins, cornbread, drop biscuits, nut/fruit breads, quick loaf breads. Soft dough thick enough to roll and shape by hand. It contains about 1/3 as much flour as liquid. Examples: biscuits, coffee cake. Mixing methods. Mixing methods for quick breads: muffin method, biscuit method. Muffin method. Step number 1. Step number 2. Sift dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. Step number 2. In another bowl, beat the eggs. Add milk and melted or liquid fat. Muffin method. Cont. Step number 3. Step number 4. Then pour the liquid ingredients into a well in the dry ingredients. Mix in until moist. Step number 4. Lift the batter from the bowl carefully and place in pan. Biscuit method. Step number 1. Step number 2. Sift dry ingredients and cut in shortening, butter, or margarine. Step number 2. Add liquid all at once and stir with a fork. Biscuit method. Cont. Step number 3. Form into a ball and place on floured board. Knead the ball 10 to 12 times, and then rotate it a quarter of a turn and knead again. Biscuit method. Cont. Step number 4. Roll the dough 1/2 inch. Step number 5. Cut the dough with floured cutter and bake. Characteristics of quick bread: high quality rolled biscuit. Light brown crust, flat top, symmetrical, flaky, tender crumbs. High quality muffin rounded with a golden brown and pebbly surface. Tender soft crumb, no tunnels or air pockets. Storing quick breads. Since quick breads lose their freshness rapidly, you should store them in a tightly closed container or sealed in moisture-proof wrap. They can also be frozen. Functions of ingredients in bread products: flour, liquid, fats, salt, sugar, eggs. Leavening agents, the main ingredient and provides structure, or body of the bread. Flour, the main ingredient and provides structure, or body of the bread. All-purpose flour is most often used. Cornmeal, whole wheat, oat flour are used in quick breads for flavor and variety. Provides the moisture, hydrates, dissolve ingredients. Liquid provides the moisture, hydrates, dissolve ingredients. Milk, sour milk, buttermilk, juice provides tenderness, richness, and some flavor. Fats provides tenderness, richness, and some flavor. In small amounts is used to improve the flavor. Salt in small amounts is used to improve the flavor, provides flavor. Sweetness tenderizes, provides food for yeast. Sugar provides flavor. Sweetness tenderizes, provides food for yeast. Contribute color, texture, and nutritive value. Eggs contribute color, texture, and nutritive value. Enable quick breads to rise so that it becomes light and porous. Leavening agents enable quick breads to rise so that it becomes light and porous. Air steam, baking soda, baking powder, yeast, air. Air incorporated into baked products by beating, creaming, sifting or folding. Steam. Steam, created from the liquid ingredients when heated high enough temperature to form steam. Baking soda. Baking soda, a chemical leavening agent that reacts with an acid to produce carbon dioxide. You will need to work quickly when using baking soda, because it starts forming carbon dioxide as soon as the liquid is added. Baking powder. Baking powder is the most common chemical leavening agent used in quick breads. The double action refers to the release of some carbon dioxide during mixing and the remainder during baking. Yeast. Yeast is a microscopic plant that produces carbon dioxide.